Electronic devices. Let us solve some problems based on diode and Zener diodes. Consider the junction diode as ideal. The value of the current flowing through AB is current flowing through AB. Here resistance is there, potential difference is there, so current we have to calculate. So formula V is equal to I into R. So I is equal to what? V by R. We have to calculate first V, potential drop between A and B, that is 4 minus of minus 6 volt, that is 10, and 1 kilo ohm. R value is given. By taking the help of that, I is equal to the potential drop is 10 volt and resistance is 1 kilo ohm. When we are solving this, we will get the answer 10 raised to minus 2 ampere. So the answer is D. Next, question number 2. This question is based on Zener diode as a regulator. Right. According to the question, what is given here? The power supply voltage 10 volt is applied, resistance RS is connected in series with the Zener diode 200 ohm. Yes, RS is given 200 ohm and here 10 volt supply is there. Zener voltage is given there 5 volt. If Zener voltage is 5 volt, then potential across RS is what? That is 5 volt. So total potential is 10. Here 5 volt is over, and so remaining is 5 volt. What they are asking, the current across RS. The current through RS is what? Right. So we know the value of RS and we know the value of potential across RS. So we can calculate I. So I is equal to what? V by R. V is 5 and R is 200. After simplifying this, we get 25 milliampere. So answer D. Next, question 3. This is also based on Zener diode. What they are asking, the current through the diode is current through the diode. Through this diode, what is the value of current? Potential drop is given here 15 volt and here 250. So here if it is 15 volt means potential across 250 is what? 5 volt, right? So here potential drop across 1 kilo ohm is what? It is parallel combination, so that's why here also 15. So 15 and 1 kilo V and R. We know V and R, so we can calculate here current. Here also we know V and R, so we can calculate current here. So current across this, just find out the current across 250 and 1 kilo ohm, subtract it, you will get the answer. So see, current through 1 kilo ohm is 0.015 ampere. Current through 250 ohm is 0.02 ampere. So 0.02 ampere minus 0.015 ampere, we will get 5 milliampere. So our answer is 2. Next, the diode used in the circuit shown in the figure has a constant voltage drop of 0.5 volt at all current and maximum power rating of 100 milliwatt. What should be the value of resistance connected in series with the diode for obtaining maximum current? So diode, its potential drop is given 0.5 volt, so total is 1.5 volt. So here the potential drop across R is 1 volt, and here power of this power rating of diode is given. Taking the help of power rating and potential, it is possible to find out current. It is in series, So current in through diode, same current through resistance also. When you know potential and current, then we can calculate R value, right? So first I value to calculate power divided by voltage. So substitute power value and voltage across diode, we will get 0.2 ampere. So resistance voltage drop divided by current, so substitute voltage drop is 1 volt and current is 0.2 ampere. Substituting, simplifying, you will get here 5 ohm. So our answer is B. In the figure shown, which of the diode are forward bias? Yes, forward bias means what? See here, this is P and this line is N. P is always necessary to connect higher potential and N is always necessary to connect in lower potential. So here 0, this is ground 0 and this is higher potential, so this is not a forward bias. See, P is connected to plus 10 volt and N is connected to plus 5 volt, so this is forward bias. Next, minus 10 is connected to P and 0 is connected to 1, so this is not a forward bias. So when we are observing the options, 2 is forward bias but 3 is not a forward bias. So in answer 2 starts B and D only, and 3 is not a forward bias, so 3 is not a forward bias. So our answer B. B is the answer. Yes. Next, question number 6. This is also same type question. A forward bias diode is. Same concept. P is necessary to connect higher potential, N is necessary to connect lower potential. When you are observing here in this A, B, C, D, A is the answer. So higher potential 0 volt, P is connected to 0 volt and N is connected to minus 2 volt. When we are observing, so A is our answer. Question number 7. In the circuit, the value of current is. Yes, current they are asking. This side 4 volt and this side 0.3 volt, but in between silicon is also there. The potential drop across this diode is what? For silicon it is 0.7 volt. Necessary to keep in mind. Yes, resistance is given. So V and R value, we know V and R value, so it is very easy to calculate current. Potential drop between 4 volt and 0.3, that is 4 minus 0.7, 0.7 for silicon, okay, and here minus 0.3 volt. So when you are solving this, you are getting 3 and resistance is 30, 3 by 30, 0.1 ampere. So our answer is B. Thank you students. We solved 7 questions. In next video we solve some more questions. Okay, thank you.